and take it off. I will bake it soon.
Okay.
And then you jump on mother's bed.
Okay. Well, then what happened?
And they put on their mama makeup.
Mhm.
They was just put on mama makeup.
Mhm.
They put on mama costume. And baby went down the laundry.
He went down the laundry chute.
And baby went down there.
And then what happened?
And Dougie with the baby.
Mhm.
Yeah. And they got and the pets were ready.
Mhm.
They eating.
What are they eating?
Not catfish.
Not catfish.
No. They eating everything.
I think they're eating bread.
Yeah.
Mhm.
And they drinking milk.
Mhm.
And they eating grapes.
Mhm.
They should not eat grapes. And they got that.
Mhm.
And water not on. And that right baby off.
He did.
And that's the garbage.
It's the garbage.
What do you do with the garbage?
He cleaned up the floor and put the garbage inside that can.
And that dog drinking it?
Yeah, he licked it off the floor.
Why? And he's going to bed with baby. And let me show you now.
Is that the end?
No. The one more page. And Mother came back home.
Mother came back home.
And they went back home.
And what happened on the last page?
Good doggy.
Good doggy. Is that the end?
No. One more page. And they dry baby off.
Okay, the end.
And not the end.
It's not the end. What's happening?
And they made mama. They made